Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a loaded tea and shake for you. It's an Appletini loaded tea and a caramel apple cheesecake shake. We're going to start with a lemon lime liftoff. You can see I'm crushing it with a spoon as it dissolves faster when crushed. Next, we're going to add lemon tea. I'm going to use the small scoop of my Herbalife measuring spoon. Next, I'm going to add energy tea, and I'm using the smallest scoop on my measuring spoon, which is a half serving. You can use the small scoop for one serving if you like. This is just my preference. Now I'm going to add some hot water to dissolve and mix my ingredients together. I'm going to give it a quick swirl to mix all my ingredients together. Next, I'm going to add some cool water. Now I'm going to add all of my ingredients into my cup, and I'm going to add some ice on top. Now I'm going to grab my measuring cup again, where I'm going to add some hot water to dissolve my beverage mix. I'm now going to add green apple flavoring to my hot water using the small side of my measuring spoon. Now I'm going to add 1 pump of Herbalife Original Aloe. This serving is equal to 2 capfuls when you're measuring at home. Now I'm going to give it a quick swirl just to mix all my ingredients together. Now I am going to add some cool water so that when I pour this mixture into my cup, it doesn't sink directly to the bottom. Now you're going to see where I'm layering my flavors just to give it that layer effect that we love. And there you have it. There's an Appletini loaded tea. Next, we're going to make the caramel apple cheesecake shake. I just added my ice and water to my blender, which I used my cup to measure. Now we're going to use the Herbalife protein drink mix. I'm going to use the large scoop on my spoon, and I'm going to go ahead and add 2 scoops of the protein drink mix to my blender. I'm going to add dulce de leche, and with this serving, I'm going to use my large side of my spoon again, where I'm going to add 2 scoops to my blender. Now I'm going to add my Herbalife apple fiber. I'm going to go ahead and add 1 scoop to my blender, and I'm just going to use the scoop that comes with the container. Next, I'm adding cheesecake pudding mix. I do get this from Herbalife, and I'm going to use my large scoop on my spoon, and I'm only going to add 1 scoop. Now I'm going to add some cinnamon. I'm going to use the smallest scoop on my measuring spoon. I'm just going to go ahead and add that to my blender for a little extra flavor. I'm going to mix all my ingredients together with my blender. And now I'm going to grab my cup and I'm going to drizzle some sugar-free caramel syrup from Smucker's that I get from the grocery store. And I'm going to go ahead and tap that on the counter just to get the caramel to spread a little bit more to make the cup look pretty once I put my shake in. Now I'm going to add my shake to the cup. Pour, pour, pour. Pour, 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 pour. All right, I think it's all in there. Now I'm going to add some coconut whipped cream. I use this just because I can't have regular whipping cream. Just going to add a little bit to the top. Now I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit more of my cinnamon on top just to make it look a little extra fancy. And then I'm going to drizzle a little bit more caramel on the top. And there you have it, a caramel apple cheesecake shake. Enjoy!